Add oil. Add mustard seeds, jeera, chana dal, urad dal, green chilies and curry patta. Add onions and saute it for a while. Add sliced brinjals. Add salt to taste. Cook the brinjals till they are half done. Add boiled potatoes, turmeric, chili powder and garam masala and mix well. Add few tablespoons of water, cover the pan and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Add fresh coriander. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel Elleroy and don't forget to visit our store at elleroy.co.uk. All the information is in the description below. See you in the next video.